What's going on, y'all? I'm Ben from Money Merch, and today we got some new heat for you from LA Apparel. They're just launching some new blanks. You know LA Apparel for their high quality, heavyweight garments. And today we got some fresh new heat for you guys that we're gonna go over. Starting off on the left over here, we got the midweight 9-ounce French Terry hoodie. This is very versatile. It's new, you know, usually LA Apparel has the heavyweight, and so they're introducing here a midweight. It's light, it's versatile. You can wear it in the summer, but you can also layer it coming into the winter. It's garment dyed and pre-shrunk, so there's no surprises in the wash when you go to wash it. And it is 100% cotton and made in the USA. It's got a sleek, clean fit, and it's unisex, so men, women alike, you can all wear it. Next up, we got the wide leg jersey pant. This is 8.5 ounces, 100% cotton, so it falls into the similar line of this midweight hoodie that they're releasing as well. It's very lightweight, and they have a rope drawstring cord, so they're adjustable to your size. We got a back pocket and 2 side pockets. They got that wide leg flare, so they're comfy, but they have that clean black look, so you can still wear it out if you want to go out, you know, night out with the boys. They still work, and they're clean, sleek, black, and they are also part of that garment dyed line, so you don't have to worry about any shrinkage when you go to throw them in the wash. They can be dressed up, they can be dressed down, you can even wear them to bed. They're comfy, they're cozy, and they look great. Following the sweats, we got these 14-ounce fleece drip dyed hoodies. These things are insane. Typically, you don't get a drip dyed hoodie as a blank. That's usually something that you have to request. So for them to provide this up front as a blank is very unique, I believe. It's got this unique drip dye to it, 14 ounces, so it's heavyweight, it's durable, it's warm, it's comfortable. It's 100% fleece cotton hoodie, falls into the garment dye category as well, so you know it's not gonna shrink. Everything that we have here is garment dyed, and currently they come in 2 different colorways. These are the only 2 colorways available right now. You have this like olive green with the drip dye coming down it, as well as the black. Each pattern is unique to the individual hoodie. They are all drip dyed, and so each of them have somewhat of a unique pattern to them. No one hoodie looks the same. These hoodies also have a corresponding pair of 14-ounce fleece sweatpants with them, also drip dyed, so you can complete the set. Top, bottom, same 2 colorways available. So if you're looking to up the sweat game, you wanna have a full set fleece sweatpants hoodie, you got the new 14-ounce fleece drip dyed hoodies coming out from LA Apparel to take care of that for you. Last but not least, we have the new 8.5 ounce wide fit tee. This is a 1201 WGD, and it feels very similar to the 1801. The only difference is it's a little more boxy and it's got a more cropped fit to it, but it feels like the 1801. It prints just as well on the 1801, and LA Apparel, you know, they got that garment dye process on lock. So it's got this nice worn in, washed feel to it. It looks like you've had the shirt for years. It feels like an amazing shirt. It's got structure to it. It's just a great shirt all around. The cropped fit makes it perfect for summer, and I'm definitely gonna be adding this one into my rotation this season. That wraps up these new releases from LA Apparel. Look, if you're running a brand already through them, or if you're just starting a brand, these are new, unique. They have that same classic feel from LA Apparel with just a little bit of tweaks to them. They also brought in this new beautiful drip dye. I love it so much. So I'm really excited to see what brands do with these new pieces and see where you guys can take them. They haven't been used, they're brand new, so you're not gonna see these out in public. You're not gonna see other people wearing these shirts. So now's the time for you guys to strike the iron fast, get on these, and get ahead of the trend. Thank you guys for watching as always. Let us know what your favorite blank is in the comments, and we're looking forward to see you guys using them in the streets.